Can Shiba Inu compete with the likes of Polygon Matic and Arbitrum for other layer 2 scaling solutions that run on top of Ethereum? That's what we're going to talk about, guys, in this video. Appreciate you guys so much. Happy Sunday to you. And, as we're getting closer and closer to the launch of Shibarium, which is coming up in August, I figured, let's kind of tackle the big question. How big could Shibarium get? And how successful could it be? And we're going through some changes right now in the cryptocurrency market. Of course, the Ripple lawsuit really changes things for the better, opens up the door for, I think, the potential for an altcoin rally or altcoin season later this year. But for Shiba Inu in particular, we're gearing up for the Shibarium summer. And of course, August 15th and 16th, huge event in Toronto, Canada. We're expected to hear and basically get the official word that Shibarium is out and fully ready to go, fully launched. It's going to be a crazy, I think, stretch of 2 to 3 months here for Shib. Now, recently we just got the new website as well. Brand new website, basically kind of setting the stage. I was reading an article earlier this morning, Lucy kind of talking about that, and just kind of what their thinking was behind that as we're gearing up for brand new things coming to the ecosystem. Of course, we're going to have, all 3 tokens that are already in the ecosystem, plus a couple more with the new rewards token Treat and the stablecoin. We're paving a nice path here, right? And coming back to Shibarium, the L2, how big can this actually be? Could it actually be similar to what we saw Polygon do in recent years? And, a newer but very interesting layer 2 of them actually. You've got Optimism and Arbitrum, 2 that you saw launch and really perform well. L2s are still necessary. Here's the thing. They take a lot of pressure off of the mainnet. They take a lot of pressure off of Ethereum in terms of scalability. The one thing that Ethereum lacks is because they're so big, the network's so large, is it's really hard for them to scale, right? And this allows you to do that within an ecosystem, within a smaller community. So for Shiba Inu, it unlocks a lot of different things that they can do with their metaverse. It unlocks a lot of different things that they can do in terms of their marketplace. So it's going to be a really exciting few weeks, guys, or a few months, weeks and months, as we're weeks away from, the launch of Shibarium. But man, can you imagine if we start to get that big money come back into crypto? Usually the back half of, years are really good, the last quarter. Can you imagine if this rally starts again when Shibarium's out, as the metaverse is rolling out? The timing here could be, perfect for Shiba Inu to go on a nice run as we head into 2024. I appreciate you guys. We'll be keeping tabs on everything. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.